All right, super excited. I found a 69 Chevelle Malibu 4-speed AC power steering car, and just picked it up. No engine, no trans. It's been a frame off restoration project that wasn't finished, and it's been sitting for about 10 years. Global West upper and lower control arms. I got some bolts missing, coilovers. Whole frame's been powder coated, body's been off. I think it's been sitting for about 10 years. So this is my first, we'll call it a barn find of 2023. There's underneath from the back. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. I've got a buddy, Jim Bassett at Bones Fab, and he's got a couple motors I could put in here and I have to buy off of him. Get the trailing arms, get the rear drums, got a 12 bolt, and you can see how nice and shiny. You know, it's been sitting for a long time. From sitting, it's got little scratches here and there, not a big deal. The parts in the trunk, got brand new bumpers for it in the wrapper. So that's the car. 69 4-speed, 350 Chevelle Malibu, 1969. It's about 15 miles away, and you know, somebody put a lot of time, energy, a lot of money into it, and just unfortunately didn't get to finish it. So I don't know if I should put an LS in here or just drop a 396 or a 402. I know Jim's got one of those already talked. Do another project at the house with the wife, little husband and wife kid action, dropping motors in, getting running. Give a couple more vids when we're done. My trusty tow guy. Trusty tow guy.
How about trusty tow guy?
Town and Country Transport. But really excited. No Mark Forever, real deal car guy, race car driver. So that's the story. This is where we're at. Gonna get it down, put it in the garage, and get back to work and deal with it later. So yeah, the guy was walking. This is how we walked in through the garage to his house. You got like a little Steve Brown dent action there, which is nice. The under fender wells I got to get, so you could just straighten that out, and then get the door, a little touch up on the door, start putting this beautiful car back together. But I actually got a car with paint, so I don't know if I should get rid of my 67 that's in primer, no interior. It's got a full interior, headliner's good, seats are good, everything's good on the inside. Needs a dash pad, needs some polishing, cleaning, maybe a little wet sanding, but hey, 69 Chevelle Malibu in the family. I've got a 67 Chevelle and a 69. Very exciting. That's the story. All right, let's get her loaded, get the kids out here, get the wife out here, see what their thoughts are. Just another day, Southern California, doing the car stuff. Oh, well, there's the 54 pickup. I got that last year. Last year, I think. Straight 6, 4-speed. So, gotta mess with that. Runs, drives, registered, all that good stuff, insured. So now I gotta play musical cars and figure out what to do with that, get everything out of the back. I was moving stuff the other day, so I just threw a bunch of junk in there. But that's the story. Girls, what do you think about the new car Daddy just got?
I don't see it.
You didn't see it yet? I thought you saw it. He's turning around.
I don't want to be in this video.
Why don't you be in the video?
I want to see it.
You want to see it? Here it comes.
No, I don't want to be in
It's a 1969 Chevelle. What do you think, hon?
Another car.
Another car, she says. Well, we put an engine and transmission in the last 69 Camaro, so now it's a 69 Chevelle.
Very sarcastic.
I reckon we did.
There we go. What do you think?
I don't want to be.
It's pretty?
Yes.
You like it?
Yes.
You want it to be your car? When you're older? Which car do you want then?
I don't know.
There she is. So exciting. Clearly we got a little suspension issues. Nothing was really tight, so This is just getting it home. We're getting too old to push stuff uphill, so Mark's gonna get it as far back as we can. I'm really excited. I have a car with paint. What do you think, Mark? Car with paint.
I'd say just put a nasty motor in it and get everything running and drive it.
Yeah. You know, LS motor or big block or something.
Some kind of like budget pro touring.
Yeah, because
application.
we've got the tubular upper and lowers,
Yeah.
the Global West on the back. I've got to do brakes.
Hard work's been done.
Hard work's been done.
Maybe not. But it gives someone the option of, if they've already got a drive line, they're just waiting for someone to put it in.
Well,
What is not cooler than a 69 Chevelle?
Jim Bassett at Bones Fab, I texted him pictures. He said he's got a 402 and a 396.
I mean, it's an A-body. It's like, it's a cool car. And, you know, it's got respectable paint, and a lot of stuff's been done already, and there's a lot of ways you could go with it. You know, so it's at that perfect stage where, if someone wants to, you know, pick it up and finish it to their taste, I think it's great. It's not like you're buying something with a powertrain you don't like.
Right.
There's so many ways to go here. I think LS is it would keep in, you know, consistency with. It's not going to be a $200,000 ridiculous, stupid.
Right.
It's just something that's affordable and fun to drive and looks cool.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
That would be my.
Recorded a couple times for movies and video games. All right, here we go. It's coming down. So there go the kids. The old pickup. We still got to back to that. I don't know why my friends say I've got the best wife in the world, but they're all kind of. Yeah.
Can you watch the tree on that side? Your branches on the tree.
Okay. Yeah, you're good. All right, I'm gonna go help Mark. But yeah, my wife puts up with a lot, right? Cars on the grass. So, okay, Mark, I've known you for 20-some years. Does my wife put up with a lot?
I just said you have the coolest wife on the planet. but you know, when she has to walk sideways between the cars and they're hanging off the curb, that's love.
I did look out. You gotta have fun in life, but a good wife is a happy life. I got a good wife. All right, we're gonna get this thing down and then we'll open it up a little bit. More to come. All right, so we just got in the garage, which is an absolute mess, but the whole frame's been off, all powder coated, Global West up and lower, links in the back too, new springs in the back. You got the coilovers you can barely see. So it's an AC car, power steering car, Hydro Boost car. So yeah, needs a little cleaning, but someone spends a lot of time and energy on this, right? It's about 10 years of dirt. Brand new, never used. I've got a radiator. Got a radiator out of my 68 Camaro. Parts in the trunk. So, got to figure out what to do with it. What do you guys think I should do with it? Should I keep it? Should I sell it? Should I put a motor in it? LS? Should I do a big block, small block? But I mean, it's painted. Some front calipers. They could be in the trunk for all I know. Drive shaft, engine, mounts, radiator fans, ignition system. And it's lot's been done. All this will clean right up. All powder coated. So I'll have to retouch this. But This all clean up. What are your thoughts? Feel like putting a motor in it?
Yourself another Chevelle. Sure.
Do we do big block, small block, or LS motor?
You can get.
Whatever I can get for a good price.
You got a flashlight? Flashlight?
Sure. All right, we're gonna look at this trim tag.
Here you go.
So,
It just died.
can you get in there?
Yeah.
So Mark, you've had Chevelles, right?
Oh yeah.
So he's gonna decode it on the spot.
Oh God, the pressure is on.
Decode it on the spot.
Okay, so it is a 5th week August, Baltimore built car. Actually, it's a 4th week of February. And I'm not up on my Chevelle colors, but 7171 is the paint code. It is a 136, I believe, is a,
I think it's a 350 small block, right?
it's a small block car.
Because a 138 would be a big block, right?
130, well, no, 138 is for SS, and they made small block SSs too.
That'd be cool, but I don't think it is. We'll have to figure it out.
Yeah, 138 is a true SS car, but they came with either small block or big block. Okay, so, man, I'm really struggling here. 756 TR. So I'm just, if it was a Camaro, I'd know it memory, but Chevelle, I'm pretty sure it's a Baltimore car. February, 4th week February for sure. 7171, remember that number because that's the original color of the car. And 136, God, I'd have to go on my Chevelle, decode it more. Should probably take, if you give, I'm gonna take a screenshot of that and send it to me,
okay.
and then I'll decode it for you. But God, I'm fairly certain it's a Baltimore car. Yeah, take a picture of it and send it to me. I'll give you all the breakdown. That's really weird. Yeah, I can't tell.
Well, what do you think? Good find?
I'd say so. I like it because it's, you know, at the stage it's at, it's still, you know,
It's a blank canvas.
A lot
still.
of this stuff's original. This is all. It's an air conditioning car.
Yep. Power steering AC car, 4-speed.
You know, I mean, it's got some good stuff going on. I mean, it's, you know, the frame. You know, the frame's straight because it's been powder coated. So, you know, that's money right there.
Yep.
The body's straight.
Gaps are good.
Yeah, the gaps are good. It looks like,
Yeah.
you know, I mean, if you look, everything kind of lines up, and you know, it's yeah, I mean, it's I mean, it's certainly not, I mean, I don't think they made 6-cylinder sticks in '69. I could be wrong. It could have been a 3-speed, but more like, take a screen grab of the trim tag, send it to me. I'll give
Okay.
you all the info on it.
Love it.
But I know it's a 4th week February build at Baltimore. I just can't remember what 71 was for the paint code, but
I think it's a blue.
Well,
there's
we'll
some,
know for sure.
Yeah.
But the thing is, what's really also cool about this thing is, you know, you can tell this trim tag has never been off of this car. It's got the original dum-dum on the rivets. So that's a good sign. It's not really been molested. I mean, it'd be nice if you had any history as far as how far it, you know, long it had been out here, but most of the stuff is, you know,
Someone spent some money. You know,
yeah. I mean, it's
the whole frame's been done. Yeah, when I was underneath it at the house,
you can tell
it's all shiny and new.
It's got proper, you know, tubular upper lower control arms
with adjustable coilovers.
It's got front discs on it. Now, whether or not they sure look original.
Yeah, they look factory. Yeah.
Pretty certain that the '69 Chevelle, the base car, came with drums, so that's an option. But again, send me the screen grab. I'll break it down for you. Send you all the info. But I mean, the hood's blue, but who knows what the hood's off of, right?
Yep.
But you kind of got to look in the gaps of the doors. You know, like maybe get it and peel some.
There's a little. You can see where the original color was kind of a sky bluish.
That's cool. Yeah. I mean, that's a popular color. But 71, I want to. If I had to guess, I'd say it was Le Mans blue.
Okay.
Oh wait, 71, Le Mans blue.
Okay. Well,
so she looked it up. The wife looked up the color code on a Chevelle. That's my wife.
Yep.
There you go.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's why she has
Which
a
is good
floral
because
Mach 1.
I mean, but people that color change just like they changed their underwear back in the day. I would have left it blue, but what that will tell me if you send it, I can tell what color interior it had. But if this thing was like a white interior with Le Mans blue,
ooh,
that would be sweet. But you know, I mean, it's a 54-year-old car. It's gone through.
It's crazy to think it's 54-year-old.
People didn't care about this stuff back then. They were just hot rodding them and you know, going to super shops and buying $39.95 heads and headers and street racing.
Super shops.
Yep. All right, brother. I gotta go.
I gotta give you. Hold on. All right, more to come.